I don't know if you can hear this or not, but this is after I put the new drive belt on. It's making kind of an odd noise.